Hey everyone, this is Tim from Your Six Studios. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to show YouTube or play it in Microsoft Teams. So what we want to do is just join a call right here. And then it's very easy to host a screen or something like that. Just in the top right, you can see there's an option to share. Go to this. Now include the sound on the top right so you can actually hear the YouTube video. You can change your background too so you don't see a gray screen while everyone's waiting. And then we got screen 1 and screen 2. We could just play a YouTube video through this, which would work fine too. But we can go on over to window right here, and this is going to be all the different applications we have opened up. And you can see under here, I have Google open up with YouTube. I can select this, and then here it is displaying to everyone. And I got this little presenter button too on my screen. And I can stop it or start it at any point in time. And very easy to use. So I can minimize this. And you can't see this button actually on the screen, but it'll allow me to turn on my camera. I get different microphone options. And I can show participants. So I can just end the stream by clicking in the top right now. So you can see where share is. So you're going to get a little window that will allow you to stop it, and you're going to get all these different controls on the top now when you go to specifically a window mode. But hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech videos coming up next on Your Six Studios.